Hello and welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is, where can I show you without showing my address, the Pit Box. The Pit Box is a cruelty-free beauty box which I absolutely love. I have a 3-month subscription. This is the first of my 3-month subscriptions. I've had it going for a while but I've had to cancel it now just to save money. So I've got this one and 2 more coming, and then I shall be no longer getting the Pit Box, which I'm very sad about. Hopefully in the future I will be able to resubscribe, but current circumstances mean I'm having to stop. So I am happy to show you the contents of the ones that I'm getting for the next few months. But after that I will be watching other people's unboxings because it's always an amazing box. They fit so much in here, and as I said, it's always cruelty free and I just love it. So it looks like this, and I've already seen something that I am so excited about. The Pit Box Cruelty Free Heat Wave. This is the August box for 2021. So it says, welcome to your August edit. Our theme this month is Heat Wave, and in this edit you'll find everything you need for the ultimate summer glow. Total value is worth £81. So the first thing I've seen, which I'm very excited about, is the Polar Factor 50 sun cream. I love this. I bought myself, I've had these in beauty boxes for years now, and I bought myself a full-size one about 2 months ago when it started to get warm. They're amazing. Cruelty-free, SPF 50. It effectively blocks UVA and UVB. Yeah, I just absolutely love it. This one is £8.80, I think. It is quite expensive. Let me just have a look and find the one. I bought mine off Amazon, but I bought mine's a big full-size one. Let me just have a look. But it is the only sun cream that I have bought that doesn't, like when you put it on your face, it doesn't feel horrible on your skin, and I just love it. Where is it? Give me a second to find it. I don't know what I'm singing. There you go. So this is my order. 30th of May I bought mine. And it was £25.41 when I bought it, and it's 200ml, and this is, how big is this? 20ml. That's the one that I bought off Amazon. I'll leave links for everything that I can, but it is so nice. It absorbs really easily. You don't get a white cast. It's not greasy. I cannot rate this highly enough. It is amazing. So definitely, if you're in the market for a sun cream, especially one for your face, this is your boy. Next up, oh my god, Phase Zero Midnight Express. Didn't know Phase Zero was still a thing. Phase Zero Cream Blush. This best-selling blusher reimagined in a cream, designed to melt seamlessly into the skin for a real skin finish. This lightweight formula lasts up to 8 hours. Easy to use, impossible to overdo. Apply with either fingers or a brush. £21. Let's have a look. Wow. Good lord. Never used a cream blush before. My fingers are clean. Before the Karen who tells me off having dirty fingers wants to come and bollock me again. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, I like it. Very subtle. It did say it's impossible to overdo, so let's do another layer. Oh, I like it. I really like that. Ooh. Come on, Phase Zero. Yes. Okay, next I've got a sheet mask, and it is a Skimono Beauty Masks Total Conditioning. Oh, it's 2 sock masks. It's foot ones. I love a foot mask. I love that. Then it gets rid of all your cracked heels. A deeply conditioning foot serum packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree and chamomile. Moisturises deeply, soothes cracked heels, softens hard skin, and refreshes and revives tired feet. £10. I am using that tonight because my feet hurt at the moment. They are sore, so I will be using that to give them a little bit of pampering tonight. Love it. Okay, next I've got Project Lip, and it is a plump and colour warning. This product will tingle. A silky smooth, soft matte plumping lipstick with groundbreaking technology that you can pump and apply a soft You can plump and apply a soft matte colour which instantly increases the size of your lips while adding colour and hydration. £14. I have never seen this brand before, but I am excited. Let's have a look. I've got nothing on my lips at the moment. It is literally like 8:15 in the morning. I love the packaging. It reminds me a bit of Colourpop. Oh, it's a pretty colour. It's a really pretty colour. Oh my god, I can taste it and it's spicy. It's spicy. It's not tingling yet, but I can taste it. We'll let that do its thing. I'm super happy with that. I love that. And then lastly, we've got Bella Pierre, and it's a Golden Glow liquid highlighter. Shimmering fluid highlighters for gold dip glow. Liquid gold highlighters can be dabbed on top of foundation or as a concentrated highlight or worn underneath complexion products for an all-over luminescence. Can be mixed with liquid foundation for an added glow. Dabbed or blended to the high points of your face. This is £30. Wow. Oh, it's really tingling now. Oh my god, I love the colour. Like, absolutely love that colour. It's called Dare. I feel like they're getting bigger. What do we think? I love it. Let's have a look. I'll put a little bit of this on here. Oh my god, this is so tingly. Oh wow. Whoa, shit the bed. Fuck me. Look at that. Oh my god. Christ on a cracker. That's insane. That is amazing. Good lord. That is amazing. I'm very excited to use that. Okay, this is the spiciest lip gloss, lip balm, lipstick, whatever I've ever put on my lips. It's like proper burning, but in a good way. I love it. I think that might be my favourite pip box that I've ever had. There is nothing in there that I'm not going to use. I'm going to use absolutely everything. I think that's awesome. So yeah, we got face mask, sun cream, lipstick, blusher and highlighter. That's like, I love it. I think that's awesome. What do you guys think? This is so spicy. Oh my god, I like it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you got the box, let me know if your lipstick was as spicy as this. I'm gonna have to wash this off before I go and kiss my kids because I'm scared that this will like irritate them. But I fucking love the colour. I think it's so nice. Absolutely love it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Okay, just an update. I had the lipstick on for like 2 more minutes. Came downstairs and said to Ben, I was like, oh my god, this is so spicy. I'm going to have to wipe it off before I kiss the kids. Kissed him goodbye to go to work. And he was like, oh, what does it do? And I said, oh, it like irritates your lips. And after like 15 seconds of being on his lips, he was like, oh my god. So I've just had to wipe it all off and put some ice on my lips because it is fucking spicy. I love it, but shitting hell. Be careful. Don't get it in your eyes and don't fucking kiss your kids with it on, because I literally just went to Ben and got it on his lips to show him intentionally, and that was spicy on him. And it's still spicy. I've wiped it off and I've put ice on my lips. So let me know what you get on with it.